Welcome to our guide on transforming small spaces with mini statues and fake books. Let's explore how these decor elements can make your space feel larger, more functional, and visually appealing. Small spaces can quickly become cluttered. It's crucial to find decor that enhances the aesthetic without overwhelming the space and to maximize storage while maintaining style. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted shelves for mini statues and fake books. Opt for tall bookcases to draw the eye upward, making the room feel taller and more spacious. Choose furniture with built-in storage, like ottomans and coffee tables with hidden compartments, to keep items organized and out of sight. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Ensure the room is well lit with layered lighting to brighten the space and highlight your decor. Combine mini statues and fake books on shelves for an integrated and cohesive look. Use items of varying heights to create visual interest. Create layered vignettes on tables using mini statues as focal points and fake books for depth. Group items by theme or color for a cohesive look. Use floating shelves to display decor without taking up floor space. Keep the arrangement minimalist to avoid overwhelming the area. Install corner shelves to utilize neglected spaces. Use taller mini statues or stacks of fake books to fill vertical space and create a focal point. Use mini statues as focal points in your small space. Place them in prominent locations and surround them with complementary items like fake books. Ensure the size of the decor is appropriate for the space. Use symmetrical arrangements for a formal look and asymmetrical arrangements for a dynamic feel. Choose decor in colors that complement your existing palette. Mix different textures for added depth and interest. Keep your small space tidy by regularly decluttering. Use storage solutions like decorative boxes and bins to stay organized. Arrange furniture to ensure easy movement and access. Use an open layout to make the space feel larger and avoid overfilling the room. Incorporate personal items like photos and souvenirs into your decor. Refresh your space seasonally to keep it feeling fresh and updated. Transforming small spaces with mini statues and fake books is all about finding the right balance between functionality and style. Utilize vertical space, choose multifunctional furniture, and create thoughtful arrangements to enhance your decor. Embrace the creativity of integrating mini statues and fake books to transform your small space into a beautifully decorated haven.